management of our college has decided to give the Best Students Award from this year onwards. And the first award goes to Mr. Jiva of this college. And we are really very proud about it. We request Mr. Jiva to please come on the stage and collect this award. The district collector will give the award to Mr. Jiva and felicitate him over that. Congrats, Jiva.
Thank you, sir.
I kindly request Mr. Jiva to address the meeting.
Thank you. This award,
Hey, you've been awarded? You don't even greet the people on stage? You have started your speech that I am getting this up.
to the respected Honorable Collector, sir, and also to our college principal, I would like to say the greetings. I got this award.
Hey, did you get this all on your own effort? Should not you compliment the supporters?
The person whoever supported to get this award, that is the professors, staffs, and also my friends. And to everybody, I would like to say thanks from the bottom of my heart. And about this award...
What kind of speech is this? You've been given an honorable award. People should be inspired by your speech.
I'm really feeling worried to get this award. I don't want this award at all. I would like to return this medal.
Hey,
I
what
don't
have you
want this
received and
award.
what you are going to give back?
No.
You were to go for an interview at 9 o'clock, now it is 10 o'clock.
Is it 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
But you are saying that I have to go by 9? And you made to wake up at 10 o'clock?
I have been waking you up from 8 o'clock, but you didn't get up.
Why, Mom? Dad is not allowing good
Let's
figures.
go,
Come on.
move on.
Please do this for me, at least for the liquor what I have bought to you. Don't you have sense?
Sorry, boss. No guy will like to feel ashamed in front of a girl. That too in front of your wife. But you shouldn't have used that words. I'm sorry. Sorry, boss.
Sir, your daughter has set an alarm for the street or her own self.
I'll just come, I'll ask her and tell.
Crazy father, crazy daughter.
Daddy,
Hey, good, you're looking very fresh.
I woke up at 4, bathed and got ready. But then it was only 5. But I have to leave at 6
It's
only.
already 6:15.
Oh my god, my interview! Oh, I'm late. Didn't even have my coffee. Dad is so irresponsible. Where's my bag?
What are you looking for?
Where's my bag, Daddy?
Look there, I kept it there for you.
Show.
Dear, I'm making some coffee for
No,
you.
thanks.
Drink little and go.
No, I'll drink at auntie's house.
Normally you make it, I have it. Now I'm making, you're not having it.
Bye, Daddy.
Your bike is punctured. Take an auto and go if you don't mind.
Oh.
I'll put the puncture for you.
Who allowed him to use my bike? He's not thinking about me. First day interview. Already I'm late. Auntie? Auntie?
What a girl she is. For a coffee, she's making noise. Hey, Kirti, give us some coffee.
Auntie? Coffee!
Stop.
What? Won't you allow me?
You have some urgent work and shouting here? Here, have coffee and go.
It's look like so cold. Go and heat it.
Oh shit, look at here, it's very hot.
So cool it for me. Let me go to meet your brother.
Please don't disturb me. Tell me what you want.
Hey, are you awake?
Tell me what you want.
Can you drop me at office?
Why?
Bike is flat tire, yeah.
You didn't get any auto?
Don't I know that? Will you drop me or not?
Don't you have sense? I've told you a lot of times, right? I already told you, right? I will take only my mom and sister and my bike, okay?
Stop showing off. It's my emergency. I'm not asking you every day to drop me.
Every day I have to drop her. You came here to have a coffee, right? Have it and leave soon.
Wait and watch. Definitely one day you will need my help, Jiva. Then I will take revenge.
Hey, Swati, coffee is ready. Why are you dragging him morning itself?
If I tell something about your son, you'll get anger.
Hey, be careful. It's hot.
Have you started?
Uncle, do you know what is discipline?
Are you asking me?
Waking up early is a sign of discipline.
You see, I woke up at 6 o'clock, went to market and bought
I'm
vegetables.
not telling about you. Still, your son is sleeping inside.
That's your problem. I will take care of him. You leave.
Thank you, Uncle.
Take care.
Huh?
Hey,
Yeah,
where is he? Still sleeping?
he has gone long time back.
Why are you blatantly lying? She just told me.
He is not here.
Huh? Did he leave?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What happened, sir? No one is here? Isn't the interview today? Isn't everyone here yet? Actually, I'm always punctual, sir. Others are so irresponsible.
You're saying that? It's been 6 months you joined here. Have you come at least one day on time? Always late?
No, sir.
What? No. Cameraman reached here at 6:15 a.m. And our special guest reached here by 6:30 a.m. And you, who's going to interview the guest, you're reaching here by 8 a.m.? Then how will the channel grow?
Already we lost 15 minutes here. Let me conduct the interview.
Not required. Already she's taking the interview. It's going to finish now.
Sir.
Just a minute. Keep this 500. You go and give this to our MD's house.
Sir, how could I
This
do?
is your punishment for today.
I'll come fast, sir.
Not required. You come tomorrow morning. But you should be here at right time. Okay? Out.
Okay, sir.
Take it.
What is this?
Money. Don't you want?
How much?
150.
Give me 250.
For what, cheater?
Cheater? How dare you call me a cheater?
Okay, leave it. 75 on way, 75 returning. So 150, right?
In between you went to courier office. Who will give money for that?
Don't talk about that. I'm already in mood off, so please stop it. Take this money and leave from here.
Leave from here? You
Yeah.
are giving instructions while traveling the auto. You're telling me to go now?
Hey, you are an auto driver. I direct you the route, okay? So let me so reasonable. Take this 100 and leave.
Why are you giving me this? You can have it yourself.
I'm not paying you. Go.
Sister, don't create unnecessary problem. Give me that money.
Hey, I'll just pay 150. That's it.
You give me at least 200 rupees, madam.
Really? One sec. Actually, tell me your ID number.
Oh,
Show me your
you're
license.
going to call the
What's
police.
your name?
You're going to threaten me.
Huh?
We also have a union here.
Which union? Which locality? Huh?
What are you going to do
Leave
after
my
knowing?
hand. Hey, you
Hey.
don't know who I am.
Hey,
I am a
madam.
journalist.
Hey.
Tomorrow
Hey,
I'll report
just
about
come
it.
on.
I won't
Hey,
leave you.
Get lost. I
Tell
don't
me-
need your
tell
money.
me your auto
Hey,
ID
you do
number.
whatever you want.
Like
I
that.
cannot
Come
give
here.
my ID number. You pay the money
Hey,
first.
I won't leave you. How
Hey,
dare you
get
try to
lost.
charge me more?
Leave it, dear.
Leave my hand. Brother?
Brother?
Yes, brother. How much?
What? You want to start from the beginning?
Be polite, brother. Brother, 75 up and 75 down. So
Again?
totally 150, right?
Again?
Hey, how much you want?
What? Hey?
Yes, cheater.
I'm a
You
cheater?
asked me 250. Here, have this 500. If I see you again around here, I'll kill you.
Hey, when I asked you
Leave
200,
from
you
here.
give me 500? Are you
How
mad?
dare you do
it's
this?
a good
I'm
day for
coming
me.
inside.
I'm going to enjoy
I'll kill
today.
you. Auntie? Auntie?
Why are you shouting like this? By mistake, I would have put my hand inside.
Outside a big problem, auntie.
No one there.
Right. Your son didn't see it from outside. You're his mom. How could you have seen it?
Okay, now tell me what happened.
Morning,
Mother,
I got
leave it.
late.
She will say a lot of makeup stories. Ask me. I'll tell you what happened.
No, auntie,
Hey,
I'll tell.
Shh. Mother, there is an argument between a guy and a girl. Who should be stopped
I'll
initially?
stop the
No,
guy.
no, 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 auntie.
Hey, all the people in the street trying to stop you.
Auntie,
but
he
still
don't know
is
what is
fighting
the
with that
issue.
guy. Hey, she's not at all allowing me to talk here. Then think about that guy's situation. He is a poor guy. She's shouting a lot and he's afraid. And also I have to support her at the situation.
He calls me a brat, auntie.
My brother always used to say the truth only, but today he is perfect.
Ask her.
The whole family is attacking me.
Oh my
See her
god.
performance. What an acting, huh?
Hey, get lost. She is innocent. Why are you teasing her?
Hey, why police
Sir
coming?
is calling you.
For what?
He doesn't have money to buy tea, so he's calling
Can I
you.
give you, sir?
No, dude.
Come on, guys.
Don't worry, man. There are only
I'm getting scared,
police.
dude.
Just follow me, bro.
Huh? Hey, what's wrong with you? Nothing, sir. I'll get nervous once I see the police. What? I don't know this guy, sir. Just
Let
came
me
for a
stop
tea.
you.
I have to tell that. It's okay. Before 2 days, there is a murder in this area. Have you seen?
Someone is killing someone. Why we have to caught in that problem? I haven't seen that, sir.
You're in this area, right?
7th Street, sir.
It's your regular tea shop, right? Where you met yesterday?
We were here, but we went early, sir.
Earlier means?
Is it our office or what, sir? And that day we had our work, so we went early. Today we don't have any other works.
Okay. Tomorrow morning you'll come to Saidapet Court.
Why, sir, I have to come there?
You didn't see the murder, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Then come to court tomorrow. Our 4 guys will be there tomorrow. Come and tell they are the murderers.
I can't do that, sir.
Hey, constable, get them in car.
Why I have to come, sir?
What? You have smoked in a public, right? Don't you know you can't do that in a public?
Why, sir, unnecessarily
Excuse me,
you are-
sir.
Who are you?
Press.
What?
Press.
Let me do
Sir!
Hey, you raise a hand against police. You are asking a reason for arrest.
Sir. All these guys are college students, sir. No need to create unnecessary problem. That girl says she's from the press. We will leave them, sir, please.
Hey, just leave. You know who is a murderer, right? Huh? He said have to hide his name from press. What should we do? They are this area guys and college students. We have to get them to magistrate to drop this case. If we get some other means, the case will get prolonged as much as.
Sir-
Get them.
Sir, I will arrange for a person, sir. Please come. Come, sir.
You're a localist, right? I'll get you once. Start the car.
Hello?
It's horrible. Who's the relation of Varadarajan?
James.
Take it, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Who are his relatives?
He's the person, sir.
Sir,
Who are you to him?
just opposite house.
Does he is an orphan?
No, sir. He has a daughter. Only father and daughter. I know them for 15 years.
Leave that. If she will come to sign, or she also dead?
Why you speak unnecessarily? She is mentally upset. Show some basic concern, sir.
Hey, if I concern with everyone means I can't attend more than 2 cases per day. What you are telling now? She can sign or not?
Sir, I will sign the document, sir. I am a school teacher. If any problem arises, I will take care.
Oh, is it? Did you that much a big person?
Dad, what's happening
Nothing,
here?
be quiet.
See, hero has came. Tell him. He will solve all the problems.
Sir, I will give you my school details, sir. I will sign the document, sir.
Okay. You're a neighbor, right? Go and sign. Constable, get the sign.
Okay, sir.
Sir, give some respect, okay?
Shiva.
What?
Sir,
You want a respect? Want me to bend to your father?
Sir, why are you replying to all those people, sir? What is your range, sir?
Range? Huh? You're putting a same-side goal. Go and get the sign. See the face finally? First get that girl away.
Just after the 3rd day rights, you cannot take her away with you.
She is our girl. Then why we want to ask permission to you?
I never said that you should take my permission. Ask her opinion is what I said. What you say is right, but how many times have you come in these years? What is her qualification? What she wants? Do you know anything? You know nothing about her, but you want to take her away with you.
You're now telling not to take her from this
I
house.
never said no. Talk to her, ask her opinion, and take her.
Come.
Give us 3 days. I'll talk to her and try to console her. Please, before that, you don't confuse
You
things.
had lunch?
She didn't even drink water. Then how can we eat?
Leave me.
Hey, come.
Hey, come.
Come.
Come. Come. I tell you to come here.
I won't come.
Go, I
Please.
say.
Get her inside.
Get in.
Get it.
Leave me.
Take the car.
No.
The ugly girls in our village, they want to marry me. But I decided I have to marry her only.
For you, I get the car and guys here.
It seems you have a plan too.
I don't want marriage. Let me stay here itself. Help! Help!
Hey, shut up. Shut them up.
Hey, why are you applying sudden brake like this?
Huh? See, there is another competitor standing on the road. That's why.
Huh?
Hey, go that side.
Why are you coming over here?
Get her out of the car.
I need to get a permission from you to get my girl.
That's none of your business. Come on, let her to come out of the car. I don't know you. Will I leave you
Hey,
now?
finish him.
Jiva! Jiva!
Don't come out.
Wait, leave me.
When there is a problem comes to girl only, we comes to know that our friend has this much talent. Even I too want to beat someone, but everybody is looking very bold.
Leave me.
I made a little mistake. Master!
Jiva! Ah!
He is bulkier than everyone. I don't know what to do.
Jiva!
You like to be violent, but I like to be silent.
Oh God, he is appreciating our friend's talent. I thought this Hulk boy is very bad boy, but he is very good boy.
What is this, Master? What you did?
You saw how he thrashed those guys? Start your car, we'll go home.
I was starting in search of you. Oh, you brought her with you. Why is it torn?
Dad, while coming back, there was a small problem.
Did
so
you fight? Will you not listen to me at all? Why did you fight?
It's not my problem, Dad. He only attacked me first of all. Hey, I fought with that guys to save you only, right? Come on, tell him.
Yeah, uncle. Actually,
There is nothing wrong in bringing you here. You just get and go. But there is a procedure.
What procedure I failed to follow? I requested, they didn't allow. So I just bet them and took her away.
Why is there no police?
Police. The same guy who talked on that day at mortuary. Just go ahead and complain to him that someone is kidnapping her. Instead, he will kidnap her. Better to go with that guy itself.
You should have spoken again with him once.
Dad, nothing happened when you spoken also.
What are you trying to tell me?
I didn't commit any mistakes. I just stopped the unwanted things which she didn't like.
You will fight in the streets, tear your shirts, and I shouldn't say anything. I should not mind all these things.
Swati, come inside. Hey, come inside, come.
Hey,
I'm escape.
what I've been telling him and we are calling him in, he is getting spoiled because of you.
He is spoiled, no? Okay, let it be. During fight, so many things
There
happen.
is no value to my words, huh? Hey, take this.
What is this, Dad?
Ah?
Why this much of hurry for this?
Just don't give me any reasons. This is important. Understand this.
Oh, this is the result of yesterday's happening.
What?
Nothing. I'm just checking where I have to sign.
I've marked it in pencil. I have filled up the form, including the PIN code. You have to do nothing. Go to college, get your original mark sheet, get it xeroxed. To attach it, you have a pin also inside.
Okay. See what your husband has done.
Why are you so haste now?
I just now explained. Don't ask me again. Go. Why are you staring at me?
Jiva, you fought for me yesterday. Is that why he is sending you away?
Hey, it's a long time plan, you know, but there is no connection with yesterday's happening. You just don't get confused. Don't think about anything, okay? I'll be back as soon as possible.
Good morning, sir.
Did I ask for this? Stop saluting people unnecessarily. Go.
Good morning, sir.
You are passed out in first class. Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Come, Japan. Now, who is your girl?
Now, with which girl are you flirting?
Okay. Put your original signature.
What, sir? You have asked only one signature to him and you are asking a lot of signatures to me?
Jiva, if you have arrears like the other guys, you should come to college often. But you have passed out with flying colors. So you won't be coming to college anymore. That is why.
Hi, sisters
Why
not
are you
there?
asking here? You need Xerox only, no?
Original certificates don't have a job now. What I'm going to do with Xerox copies? Stupid question.
How many copies?
2 copies.
Can I take this?
It'll be useful for the years.
I don't use this in college itself. Why should I use now?
You are not going to correct yourself.
Is there any problem in college?
No, what happened?
It's written bad here.
They have printed good for him. I'm a rank holder. How come they would have given bad
See
for
yourself.
me? Yes, dude, they have mentioned as bad.
Come,
Hey,
let's
come
go
on.
to the college.
Brother,
Huh?
you forgot this
Thank you.
certificate.
Sir, what is this, sir?
To issue the certificate is my job. Whatever you want, go ask the principal. Go to the principal.
Don't make anybody stand here. Let them all go. Come on, my student. You come here to tell me that you're going to leave the college?
Yes, sir, but what I'm coming to...
Tell me, Jiva. Don't hesitate to tell me.
Sir, a small mistake has happened.
You need some correction?
No, sir, nothing like that, sir.
Then what?
But it has been mentioned as bad in my conduct certificate.
When everything is right, then that should also be right.
I studied in this college for last 4 years, sir. My dad came here on the first day of my admission. After that, my dad hasn't come here. Till date, I haven't committed any mistakes, sir. I haven't seen you earlier by committing any mistakes. Then how come it has been mentioned here, sir?
Is this your signature?
Sir, nothing happened like this, sir. Sir, I haven't written anything like
Whose
this, sir.
signature is that?
Sir, the signature. Signature is mine only, sir.
Has anybody signed for you there?
You're asking me a lot of signature? Sir, just now I can recognize, sir. While getting the certificate, I have put lot of signatures.
I'm telling you're wrong. You're telling management is wrong.
Sir, I'm not talking about your mistake or my mistake, sir. I will not be worrying if you have printed fail mark in my mark sheet, sir. But my dad, what he is requesting from me, you have certified that I don't have that character. Sir, why, sir, you have done like that?
I'll tell you the reason.
Look, Jiva, he's our college correspondent.
What are you looking? I'm the one who asked to put the bad in certificate.
I've seen you somewhere. Is that you? I have told you sorry on that day
On the
itself,
day
no?
you have slapped me, I'm ready to smash you itself. You know why I even do that? I have an habit to take an important thing from one. You have been an artist. I'll take off your eyes and I'll make you blind. And I'll ask you to draw a diagram to kill you. If it's you're a businessman, I'll get your all properties and I'll make you as a beggar. But you are not that much worth. Do you know why I asked you to come? You the one made me to think a lot to make a revenge on you. The last 7 days, I have struggled a lot. But now I'm being very happy.
That's my mistake only.
Hey,
I will fall
I'm
on your
not a
legs.
God to save you when you bend your knees. Got it? I'm a devil from hell to change your destiny. If you want to touch my food means you have to get a permission from me. Did your father is a founder of a diplomacy? Huh? Go and give this certificate to him. Take this to home and make a big frame. Ask him to see this and go to hell.
Hey, what the hell you are talking, huh? Hey, come on, leave me, guys. What the hell he is talking? He's talking about that? How dare he can talk about my dad, huh? Hey, I will not leave you.
See here. This is the last time I want to see you out. This is your warning. Be ready.
Sir, take some place, sir. Please, don't get problem, sir. Please,
Hey, what are you talking? Will you leave him if you scold about your dad?
Jiva, I know what all has happened here. There is no use talking to them. Let's go meet his father.
Who is he?
Angan.
He used to get up exactly at 6 o'clock. Why is he still sleeping? I don't know what the father and son were talking on the terrace. It's already 7 o'clock. Why are you sleeping?
Is it 7 o'clock? Is coffee ready? Okay, I'll brush it.
Okay.
It's surprise. You're doing work in the morning?
Why are you going so early today?
Mom, I have to go to the college to give these forms. That's
No
why.
wonder he's talking like that. Eat and go.
I'll have it later, okay?
Don't go on empty
Take care,
stomach.
Mom.
Going out without breakfast.
Hello?
Jiva, had you food?
No, I'm yet to have it.
What about the
I'll
certificate?
talk to you later, okay?
Don't know what is happening.
Why did you take my father, buddy? Hey, if you had come to drink with me, why should I take your father? Hey, drunkard should be always serious. I'm talking to you, you're not concentrating?
Hey, buddy, where are you now?
Buddy, I'll reach in half an hour, buddy. Please, buddy.
No explanation. Be there itself.
What, bro? You're not going to have...
Bro. Boss, hereafter I don't talk
Sir,
about that.
greetings, sir.
What, bro? I told you to go to the college. You have come here.
I went to the college, but they haven't got any information, it seems. That's what I came.
What, bro? You would have got the information by 10 a.m. You're coming and meeting me at 4 p.m. You came by
I
walk.
came here by 10 o'clock itself, sir. He didn't allow me inside.
This is the way they are spoiling my name. Now what will you tell? You went to Angan's house. You waited for a long time. But no use at all. Do one thing. You come tomorrow by 9 a.m. itself. Security, come here. yes, sir. This boy will come tomorrow by 9 a.m. itself. Okay, sir. Do one thing. Put a chair for him Sure, and sir. let him sit here. Brother, you be here 9 a.m. tomorrow. At least from tomorrow, I should not hear any complaint that nobody is respecting when you go to Angan's house. That is my only wish. You know very well that who all should enter my house because you are a learned man.
Sir, I didn't requested any job. I just came for the certificates.
What are you going to do after getting the certificate? You're going to try a job, right? I myself will give you a job. E is before D. I know that. You can come and join tomorrow itself. Okay, let me leave now.
Sir, so you won't give the corrected certificate, right?
You will keep hands on my son and knowing that I should change the certificate for you? If I decide you will not be able to live in this world. Since I'm contesting in this coming election, I'm leaving you alive.
Then my
Why
certificates?
are you asking the same question again? Certificate. Hey, he doesn't understand my language. You try your language. Tomorrow morning he should be here on time for his job.
Hey,
Make him that
what are you
side.
talking
It's a foreign
to?
car. It will get
Hey,
scratched.
what are you talking to our leader?
Hey,
How
don't
dare you to
listen
talk
us.
like this?
You need beatings or what?
Hey, leave him. He can't even fight. Oh! What, bro? Are you smashed? You got catched after a long time. You deserve a lot of things. Constable, file a 4-5 case against him. 6 months. No, at least made a 15 days remand to him. Hey, you have played with me, right? Why you have played with them? At least we'll relieve you after 6 months. But them, tell you that they won't leave you. Definitely they will kill you. I think a bad time for your whole area. You have fought with me on a mortuary that day. You know how he was died? Wait, I'll tell you.
You guys are threatening for the sake of his land.
Before I finish you, I will have to finish these people.
Angana made an accident to kill him. At least he is okay. You know how about his son?
Man, whenever you leave me out, I will tell everything about you in the media.
You need your tongue to speak out, right? Hold him. 6 feet height. He made him as a 2 feet. You are not enough to them. Hey, you can talk to anyone regarding to this. Can't you go anywhere? If you go anywhere means he will know that. Rest of your life is in his son's hand. Hey, what the treatment you have give? Give me the stick. Can't even give me the break.
Hello?
Brother?
Hey, where are you, man?
Brother, I'm in station only. Brother, I'm waiting a person who is making an issue in our house.
Hey, why are you hitting him, man? He himself is a young boy. Guys would have drunk. That's why they would have had a fight. I am telling you to catch a whale and you're trying to catch a fish. You did not do anything to him. My son will look after him. Just throw him away and within half an hour you should reach here. Or else, I will finish you.
Okay, brother, I'll be there. Hey, tie him and take to the car. On the way, we'll throw him anywhere. Hey, what are you doing there? Throw him and come soon.
Because his nose was broken. Only 3 hours rest he need, that's all.
Okay, doctor. Can we go and see him?
Yeah,
now?
you can. But make sure one by one.
Come.
Madam, no one should go inside. Already one person is there. Let him come out and then you go.
Mom, what shall we do
Don't
now?
forget to pay the bill, okay? Okay.
Do you think am I a fool? Somebody bit him red and blue. We can give treatment only. We cannot protect him. You take him out and give treatment.
Can I get him to whom?
Morning we will discharge him.
Oh my god. Why he is in such a condition?
Nothing to worry. Let him take rest.
What is this? If he has fallen down from the bike?
The doctor told us there is no problem. You don't worry.
I have already told him many times not to go fast like this.
Doctor said morning we can discharge.
Jiva, relax. Unknown fear.
Why should we get fear? He committed a mistake, I asked him. I even asked apologies. I'm telling you one thing, Dad. My fate can be decided by you and Mom only, Dad. Even God doesn't have that rights to, Dad. I don't know who is he. Who is he to decide my future, Dad? On that day, there was a problem in our street itself. They have killed our uncle also. Did we done something? Now the problem is because of him only.
No, Jiva. Can we do something legally
Dad, what are you saying, Dad? Others may treat this as a silly issue, Dad. This is my life, Dad.
No, I understand what you say. But if you do this, the problem will grow bigger and we...
Dad. I've grown under your guidance, Dad. I should prove that I'm not wrong, Dad. You are the role model for discipline, Dad. Who is he to give the bad conduct certificate for your son, Dad? That too, his son is coming in next 10 days. I have to work with him as a slave. Shall I go and work as a slave to him, Dad?
Oh no, Jiva.
At that time also, he will not allow us to live freely, Dad. If an illiterate has a position, he can decide anything, Dad. Then the literate like us have to show what we can do, right? Literates will only think, but he will not do anything. But I decided.
Nothing should happen to you.
Dad, nothing will happen for me, Dad. He shouldn't commit the same mistake to another guy hereafter, Dad. If I'm going to live, definitely I'll live as per your wish. Else I will die.
Hey, why are you blabbering? Tell me what I should do.
This is enough, Dad.
Increasing day by day.
Swati? Why are you crying?
Nothing.
Hey, don't you get some other place to meeting? Can't speak louder and can't drink here. Why you choose here?
Buddy, at this night time, both of you, what are you doing the terrace?
Hey,
Yeah, thank you.
Hey dude, what is the matter? Why you call all of us?
Bro, how are you, man?
Hey.
Oh, sorry. I think your dad is not in the house. That's why I arranged a meeting here.
Not even you came to hospital to see him.
It's a big story, man. Yesterday only I got the mark sheet. Immediately my dad asked me to attend an interview. From the morning to night I was there, but I didn't get the job. See, one day I was away from him. What and all happened to him?
He's lying there.
Okay, what you people are discussing here?
Buddies, I decided to oppose Angana.
Hey, what? You made a decision. Go to hell. I have did make your mom to believe that was an accident. From this you are going to against an Anganan. Find any way to escape from him.
who wants to escape? You or Jiva?
Oh, what a brilliant question. I won't answer this.
Don't you know about him? He will let him in peace. Didn't he frame my father and killed him in accident?
See Swati, we are not afraid to tell this. He have an all side of influence. Don't make this issue.
Buddy, anyhow he is going to beat me. Let me try to beat him also.
We have to think before to against him.
If I'm not doing that, will he be allowing me to be free? I'll leave this now, knowing that you are capable to, and if you are doing that, you are the cover. We can do it.
Dude, I'm getting afraid once I think about that.
You guys ran away when they murdered a stranger. But after that, you guys haven't gone to the tea shop. Police, politicians and thugs. They are afraid of only one another. But us, we are afraid all three of them.
Youngsters are important and their future is important. They are getting rejected initially. No one is taking care.
Buddy, we are studying here, doing a job at abroad and sending the money to our country. But these corrupted politicians, they earn money here and they're sending it abroad to deposit.
Correct, dude. From your plan, he can't be escaped.
Talking this much about them, just think, will they be thinking about us now? It's nothing for them, buddy. They might be thinking me as a coward. They might be thinking that I am feared about them. If I leave the chance now, then I will not be getting any chances.
Hey, he has this much confidence. Come on, let's join with us.
From today onwards, his happiness is over.
Hello, please move. Principal's coming. Please give some way. The car is coming. Please give some way. Please. Move. Thank you. Move. Sir, please move. Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, good morning.
Why is this crowd here?
Morning, these people are waiting to see you.
Wait. You just please wait. Wait for me. I'll see.
Hey, please give some way. Hey, please. Hey, why
What
don't you
rubbish
give
is
some
this?
way, please?
How did you get this? We have not sent anything like this. We don't take any donations. Students, go back to your classes. College is not related to this letter in any way. Please go back. Don't stay here. Please go back.
Why are you waiting here? Please look after your job and go. Please go. We all received a mail that we'll get the refund today. Now what is
I
this?
also got, sir.
Now he's saying that he
People are
doesn't
playing
know
a game with
anything.
us.
We have the letter sent by them. How come they won't give the money?
Super, bro.
If we live without give.
There is one person is as we expected.
What is this? Such a big crowd. How many people will be there? 2 years parents are. 500 to 600 people are there.
Yes.
But how will I reply him?
He cannot answer him, sir.
Charged out, I think. This is not working properly.
They have promised
I've
to
seen
return
this
the
place
donations.
somewhere. Hey, just move away.
Not only in India, in the world itself, nowhere it has taken place.
Hey,
So
this is
many
our college,
people are
buddy.
very happy and some
What
of
is
them
going
are
on? I'm not
shouting
able to
at
understand
us.
anything.
We don't know what
And
is
this is
happening
Hindi
inside
channel
here.
too.
Boss, watch
Please
clearly.
describe
It's
it. Is
Telugu.
it true or false? All are waiting for your reply.
I also have the same doubt. Where are you from, sir? Why so much of crowd here?
Are you happy? Please tell us, madam.
Can't you keep a local channel? You're
You
good
have
for
just
nothing
heard
at
what
all.
she said.
Now you are watching is not
Hey,
an
just stop it
exhibition.
immediately.
This is happening for the first time ever in this world.
Now
this
watch
is new
clearly.
beginning to modern education. A small step towards a big revolution. Let's see what the parents have to say. What are your thoughts on the refund of the donation by the college, sir?
We are giving education to the children so that they can grow themselves. But these types of colleges, they are destroying the child's career. This should be a good lesson for the people who collect money for education.
Thank
These
you,
guys
sir.
don't pick up the call at all. Do you at least know that inspector's number?
With
Yeah,
great
I know.
difficulty
Give the
only we have
phone.
put our daughter in this college. Now they say that they will return the donations.
Boss, he's on the
Thank
line.
you.
Hello?
Brother, tell me.
Who told the money will be refunded? Send away the people who are standing there.
Brother, can't do that. Here are more than 500 people. Everybody has an evidence in their hand. Actually, we are came here to control the crowd. If we against them means they will stand in the road. Try to finish in campus itself.
Who's this? Sir, it's me, Anganan, sir. I'll talk to you later. I'm a little busy. I had given a statement yesterday. If somebody collects donation, that man will have a problem. Some stupid fellow today morning has told that he will refund the amount. I don't know who's the chairman of the college. Sir, I need to talk regarding that matter. Tell me, what should I do now? Sir, that's my college, sir. What? Baka, you'll be having more wealth than me. Why get into unnecessary problem? Why did you send the mail?
Sir,
buddy?
I don't know anything, sir. Will I ever tell that I'll refund the money?
I don't know whether it's you or somebody told that the money will be refunded. All the parents are waiting at the college. You have to give the refund immediately. Otherwise, they'll go to the police station. Sir, the news has gone to the media. Now you tell me what should I do, sir? When the people support us, media can't do anything on us. Any government issues, I will take care of that. You just refund the money. Any other problem, I will take care of that, okay? But if you don't give money, then you will seriously get into a problem.
You mean to say that I should definitely give the money?
Buddy, after refunding the money, you know how to get it back at the earliest, right? Don't get into further problems and try to solve it immediately. He's telling me to give the money. Useless bugger. Guys, give the refund at the college campus. Come on, fast.
13 missed calls. He's online, sir. Hello?
Now we'll pick up my call.
No, sir, I couldn't hear because of crowd.
First, you hand over the refund immediately.
Sir, money.
I will take care of that. You give it immediately.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay, your problem is solved. You can get the refund immediately. You go and give the receipt and then collect the amount.
They have got their money. Let's ask their feedback. So tell me,
We are
sir.
very happy now.
So
I'm
what
so
is your
happy.
plan?
I'm going to do some useful things.
And you? We are very happy.
I'm really happy, madam.
Super, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Everyone seems happy. But why do you look so dull?
This college is getting the donation, and everyone came to know after this issue only. Government will give stipend for the education purposes, but here people are asking for the money to get learned. That's the reason I'm feeling
Oh,
worried.
so he's the man behind this
We will
problem.
be much happy if other college also doing the same thing like our college.
Get lost. What are you watching
Okay,
here?
sir.
There is one new number.
Pick up the call.
Hello?
Give the phone to that education father.
You're speaking very respectively. May I know who is this?
Hey, idiot, give the phone to him, stupid.
Yes, sir.
Hey, give it.
Who it may be?
You seen that, right? I was looking so good in the TV.
You have given a good performance.
Now you all aren't worried. But see how many people are happy here. Every parents are praising you without knowing you itself. Do you know that? So you have to thank me for that,
I will
okay?
surely thank you. Should I do something else for you?
Hey, I just done this to show you what will happen if you oppose illiterate. Hey, listen. It's not my duty to correct you or this country, okay? Only two things. First is my certificate. Next thing is, just give the college back to the guy from whom you have got this by cheating him, okay?
You stupid. I am not ready to give even your certificate. I am earning so much. Do you think I'll give this college?
If you stop with this alone, no one will come to know whatever I have done till date. If you're not stopping now, I will show who you are to the public immediately.
I thought you were just a kid, but you're talking too much. It'll take only a minute for me. I will finish you now itself.
Sir, how long you are going to say the same dialogue? What you will do, what you are capable do, I know everything. Whatever you can just go ahead and do. I will take care.
Hey, call the stupid fellows.
Okay, boss. I will call them
for
immediately. Hey, rowdies, come here. Boss is calling. Come.
Hey, destroy his house and his family members also. Show him and his family members what is the fear
Okay.
of death. Come on, go fast.
Hey Jiva, why you're seeming so dull?
Buddy, it will be perfect. All our wishes happen soon. I'm just thinking about his next step now.
Hey. Definitely he will school by going this time.
I'll handle him. Come.
Whatever.
Hey, wait.
For others, a thing is very struggle, but you got that easily. But a easy thing making you difficulty.
What are you saying?
Talking about your love.
Hey, he will be feared if his girlfriend is not sending SMS for next 2 days. But me and Swati is not like that too. She knows that I am loving her. In fact, I know that she loves me. She wants me to propose first of all. It's entirely a different feeling, buddy.
Swati, brother is in good mood. Actually, he is not able to play a duet, so you play it. I'm
lost.
going. Bye.
Hello?
Hey, Swati,
Yeah, sir.
an important matter.
Yeah,
Come
just
to the office
15
soon.
minutes.
Don't be late, okay?
Okay, sir. Bye. After a long time, he is having nice time with friends. I'll go alone. Auto?
Where you want to go?
Annanagar.
Get in.
Yes, Swati?
Someone is chasing me, Jiva.
What are you saying? Where are you going now?
My boss called me and he said he had received a news about Angana and asked me to come there.
Hey, are you mad or what? We guys are hiding here. Why the hell you went alone?
Okay, leave it. They are chasing me, Jiva. What do I do?
Okay, don't be panic. Where are you now exactly?
I'm going Kolattur way.
Did you cross Kolattur petrol
I
bunk?
don't know.
What could you see there?
Grace Supermarket.
Just take the first left next to it.
Brother, take left, please.
Madam, that road is dead end.
Hey, that's a dead end, Jiva.
I know that's a dead end. Just ask him to go there now. Move! Go fast!
We are searching him, but he is going in front of us. Hit him!
Hello, Jiva, are you there?
Sir, tell me, sir. I've seen him. I'll finish him. You'll finish her. Sir, I'm behind her. I'll finish her soon.
Hey, they are getting closer.
Hey, don't be panic. Just get down and run from there.
Jiva, they look scary. They will catch me, Jiva.
Those guys are too fat. They can't run for a long time. Don't get tense and run
Hey,
from there.
come on, come soon. Have to catch her. What is this four-way road? You two go here. You two go and see there.
What are you going to do, bro?
If she come here means I'll catch her.
Bro, I have not catched the girl till now. I'll do it, bro.
My dear, come on. I'll join with you. Come.
Go. Take any lane there.
All the streets are very narrow. Which one do I take?
Hey, drive fast.
Jiva, where are you now?
There will be small lanes only. Nothing is dead end. Just go.
Sir, we are chasing him now, but he is listening to music and driving the bike. We can file a case for this, sir.
Case. We'll file. Hey, I'm telling you to hit him. You're talking about the case. Go and hit him.
Okay.
Don't know where she went. She is killing me. Come.
Are you following my instructions correctly? Where are you now?
I don't know where I am.
Just check and let me know.
There is a temple.
There will be a small lane next to the temple. Just go there now.
Hey, bro, do you have some water to drink?
Hey, you. Have we come for a tour? Come on. She seems like a mouse, but she make her to run.
They went from there, right? If you get tense, you will get caught. Just come to the lane which I said.
You make an indicator for left. He is trying to cheat us. You take a right. What are you looking? Go and catch him. Why are you looking me? Make it fast.
Hey, whoever catches her, we will finish her, okay?
Hey, this
Hey,
taking
bro,
small
I
pace.
got caught. Please help
Hey,
me, bro.
release him soon.
Yes, Swati.
But you only take your moments,
Is it
right?
important? Just come on.
Hey, okay.
Bro, I think both of them have escaped from here.
Hey, where you went? Just to miss her. We'll get them. Here, get her win. What are you guys doing then? Come here fast. Hey, start the car soon. Fast. If you found him, then smash him immediately. Hey, what is your driving skill? Get up. All my faith. Hey, hit him. Don't leave him. Hold me tightly.
Swati, just be silent.
Okay.
Okay. Hey,
From where you're coming?
So sweet.
I
Mummy.
asked you from where you're coming. I must know what is happening here.
Mother
Auntie,
hair
when I
and
was
the
going in the
dress.
auto.
Yeah, you. Just get in. Go.
You be here. First, you answer to my question.
Not like that,
Already
Mom.
your friends are getting scared to come here. Nowadays, you are discussing something on the
Mom,
terrace.
Dad is calling you
Wait,
inside.
you tell me.
Mom, Dad is calling you, right? Just go and ask him what's
What
up.
happened? You
Dad
tell
is
me.
going to get
Lakshmi.
tense. Just get in,
See,
Mom.
Dad is calling you. Come.
You go,
come,
Mom. We'll talk
Come
later.
inside,
Lakshmi.
Mom. Always scolding in the entrance.
Thank
Come
God.
inside.
You're afraid of this plan, Jiva.
You don't worry about this plan, okay? We have planned it perfectly.
What should I do?
Hey, you just stand and watch the drama alone. Don't show your face, okay?
If I hide, won't they still look for me? No matter what, I'll be by your side.
Won't you understand whatever I say? Hey, hi, brother.
Heard somebody is giving biryani.
Oh, there you
Hey,
go. Okay.
Come, buddy. Hey, it's chicken biryani. They are serving there. Come, let's go. Okay, bro. See you later.
You said you don't have anyone to create problems? I think you got your man.
Come.
It's already getting late. Why is he not
I
coming?
don't know, sister.
Sir, crackers,
Hey,
sir.
go that side. Go that side.
Sir,
It's a leader
crackers.
coming time. Go that side.
Leave.
Hey, our guys are standing there. Just see what is the problem there.
Hey, what's your problem?
Bro, we want to see our leader, bro. If he visits our area, then our entire area votes will be for
Listen,
him, bro.
he is going for
why
another
are you
meeting.
wasting time?
He will,
Come
why you are
soon.
disturbing? Sir,
What's your problem?
we have one boss. We have one.
Tell me what's the matter.
Boss, they are all our old party members. When you were out, they also went out. Now you are in.
Okay.
They also want to join. Only one flag hosting. We will get 40,000 votes
Tell me what
confirmed.
should I do
So
now?
you directly go and host the flag without hesitating. So we will get 40,000 members. Thus, so you please host the flag. I will get the press immediately.
Leader Ranganna, long live. Leader Ranganna,
Why
long
are you
live.
standing here? Spread all over.
Did we are doing a fielding for standing separately? If we are being together, anything means we'll escape easily.
Stop talking like this. Go and serve food.
Hey, what are you doing now? Hey,
Sorry to disturb.
hey, what? Till now
Hey,
we didn't
get
get
up,
the
go
food.
there.
Hey, he is my
Till
husband.
food is not ready. What's an urgent?
Idiot, how he is behaving like this? Stupidity and all on husband for me.
Where is the food? Where
I
is the
have
food? Where is the
never
food?
heard of
Food,
this
food,
like
food.
this.
We need food. Madam,
Yes,
ask.
we are also waiting for the food only.
Madam, please get
Where
up.
is the food?
Otherwise, you will hear itself. Come on, please, madam, get
Oh,
up.
we
Let's
are
go.
waiting here.
Don't waste the time.
Either
Hey,
the
come,
food
buddy.
will come
Leader's
or
coming. We should solve the problem.
Hey, useless fellow, tell me something and go.
So hungry.
Why are we waiting every
How many hours we are waiting here?
Why don't
You think we are a god? Come here. Come here.
Till
What do you
this
think
time we
about
are
us?
waiting for
Come.
the food.
How long I have to
come?
wait? Come on.
Huh?
Give me a food.
Where is the food? Where is
Get
the
the
food? Where is the
food
food?
and come on.
Come here. What do you think of yourself?
Hey, take the food, man. Come soon.
For the past 3-4 hours, we
Hey,
have
there is a
been
biryani.
waiting
Come on, there's a
for
biryani.
food.
Serve it.
If I had
Fast,
known
guys.
this, I
Please
would
come
eat
to
it from the
request.
outside.
Please, you should cooperate with us. Please, guys.
Hello?
Yes,
Brother, have leader start?
it's getting late here. The guys are doing the job.
We are waiting for him.
Everything is going as per our plan.
Okay, brother.
What, bro? Has the leader started?
He have started, but personal work he has going out. So he asked not to wait for him.
Has the leader informed that we
Yeah,
can
yeah,
start the
need not to
function?
wait.
Okay, then
We'll
we'll
go
start.
Hello, where are you going? Come here. Go and serve.
Okay, bro.
Go quickly.
Bro, why do you start? The leader has not come.
Hello, leader only said not to wait for him.
Leader is
What you
informed.
need? Go.
Okay, then
What you
it's
need? Go and serve.
Hey, sambar. I had asked for sambar, not rice, okay?
Hey, give him some sambar, otherwise he'll hit you.
He's asking for a gravy. Go.
Buddy, where is the rasam?
Okay, I think you are hesitating. I will feed you. Take this. Take this. Very good boy.
Sister, eat happily.
After seeing this,
Go and
the
serve pies in
opposition
there.
party will piss off. See the posters, flexes, flags. Wow. It's like a very big function. Oh, what is this? There is no public, nothing. What is this, boss? You please come down.
Greetings, leader.
Who is this group of beggars who are coming in a car? Hey, watch us. You told me that they will not start the function before I come. Now they have started serving food.
Yes, boss. They are fighting like a stray dogs for food. Do you want to eat with them?
Hey, guys, just stop serving the food and come here quick.
Buddy, what happened, buddy? Why are you calling us?
Hey, buddy, this man told me that no. He told us that we are stray dogs.
Hey, guys, come here. Come fast. Come fast, guys.
Hey,
Come soon.
why are you calling the crowd? What happened? What happened?
We are all beggars.
Yeah, you are beggars only, no?
We are not beggars. You are a beggar. If we vote alone, you come to
You
power.
did not put vote for free. You got biryani and liquor.
Last time you received 500 rupees.
It's you had given me that 500
Hey,
rupees.
why you people talking and wasting the time? Hey, you ate fully, no? Go and do something.
You don't know to cast a vote properly. You're asking me questions? Bloody bugger. Hey, give him nicely, man. We will cast his vote. Then why did you come here to see all of us? Don't you know that you're talking to a respectable minister? Very big minister.
Hey, it's working out.
You know to
Hey,
whom are you
what are you
talking?
saying?
Hey, don't do any fight,
Hey,
okay?
hey, don't create
You know with
unnecessary
whom you are
problem.
talking?
He will not leave you.
If you have real guts, touch him, I say.
I have guts. I'm going to remove his
Hey.
dhoti. Just see that. Hey, bloody shit. You're trying to act smart here. I'm not leaving, guys. Hey, get lost, man.
Man, only 3 letters. See where it has brought you?
Sir, spine please. Sir, smile please.
Stop the vehicle, boss, I am here. And don't forget me, or else they will beat me. They are all drunk, I think.
He's behaving because he's having liquor morning itself.
Ready, sir? Give me the mic. Angana arrived for the feast, but he behaved in rude manner with the people and got attacked by them. And it is said that he was drunk. This is a big insult to the party for which he is the candidate and affects their chances.
Boss.
Always playing with mobile.
Mom.
Wait, I'll get you married to the mobile. Where is father?
Have you got the printouts?
Everything's pakka, my dear friend.
They shouldn't take too much of liquor and lie somewhere. Be careful, our plan shouldn't get
Don't
collapsed.
worry, buddy. All are alert. Hey, daddy's watching us.
You just want to see with whom I'm talking now. You just go now.
Okay, buddy, I'm leaving.
Brother, can you please tell me this address?
Buddy, just tell where is the address?
Go straight and take a lift.
Hey Jiva, what happened? What happened to
Tell
dad?
me, buddy, what happened? Hey, where is the phone? Attend the call, man.
Hey, come, we'll ask the nurse.
What, dude? Someone has thrown a bomb in your house? Don't think it was my fault. Tamuse party and a Tana party as a clash. Behind the booth was your home was affected. How they all? Hope there is no any problem for life. I've heard.
Hey, do you know what is the meaning of love? Do you know what is the meaning of family?
Hey, what are you blabbering about your family? There is a doctor going inside to your father's room. Hey, why you are running? That's all an old style.
Tell me, where I have to come now?
Where that place you made a blunder mistake. Come there.
Hey, what? What happened?
He wants me to come to the college alone.
To the college?
See,
You know
what
what will
he
happen
said.
if you go alone there?
Hey, look at him.
Hey, what is wrong with him?
Just take care of my mom and dad.
Hey, Jiva, stop it.
My family is important for me. He's saying that he will kill my family. What the hell you know about education? Everyone is really working hard to pay the fees, you know? What do you know? You know to get the fees alone. Anyone can do any job. But the education should be in the hands of government only. If it is in your hands, that won't be a respect to the people like me and also to the education as well. Once if the education goes to the hands of government, then only this country will be correct. Until that day, I collected all the details about you. I will take care of you.
Go. Let me see how are you crossing this compound.
You will not correct yourself.
What are you doing? What is this? Huh? What is happening?
Nothing happened here, Dad.
Hello, mister. You have only one son, you have raised him in most indisciplined way. A father should not just remain as an initial, there is no use of it. Everything is called mother country, mother tongue. But still a man only gives initial to his child because a child's fate is his father and you are a useless guy. And that is why your son is like this. If you change, he will automatically change. Come, let's go.
Sir, don't shoot me, sir. Don't shoot me, sir. Sir, I know very well, sir. If somebody says I am the god, it will be the result. Thank you, sir. Sir, don't. Thank you, sir. This is the only thing I am getting after all working so many years. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir. Bye, sir.
What are you looking for? For this kind of people death, not from outside. In our hand, being with them. If they listen your words and have to realize means, they will feel sorrow on their childhood itself. This kind of people won't be realize anything. After you went, they will struggle and get up. Send some people to kill you. That's what I shoot them both. Do you know where we are losing? Still, we are waiting to get a problem for us. That's what the thing. You got an angry once you got a bad certificate. If these people are having the education institutes and till we don't have a look for that means we all are bad.